Not logged in. I've just come all this way and I can't fly my drone now. But so in this video I'm going to show you how to put your hotspot from your phone onto your controllers. Now I'm going to use one controller. I've got my RC controller, got my RC2 controller, got my Pro 2 controller. But I'm going to show you on this one because it's going to be exactly the same for these other two. So the first thing I need to explain is your phone. Be it Android or iOS. Guys, all the phones are different. Now some phones, when you go into your settings, the hotspot is already there. But on my iPhone 14, it wasn't there. So what I had to do, and this is what you have to do, guys, you have to go and phone them up. Phone up your network and ask them, can you put your hotspot on your phone? Guys, it takes a couple of minutes. They just talk you through it. And if I just go into my phone now and show you, so the first thing you do is go into your settings. It's going to be right at the top. It's going to be straight there. Personal hotspot. Now, like I said, it may be different on some of the Android phones and even obviously on some of the iOS phones. So if you just click on that, now what I've got is I've ticked mine to, it's on all the time. And obviously you've got your password on there. Now what I will say is that password, you don't want it to be too long, guys, because when you put it onto your controller, I think it takes up to about 8. After that, it won't accept it. So just bear that in mind. So now you've got your hotspot onto your phone. I'm going to show you what you got to do on your controller. So what you need to do, your top right, just scroll it down. And then where you got the Wi-Fi, if you put your finger on it, what it would do, open it up. It's got my phone already picked up. So you just click on that. It's then going to ask you for the password. It's asking for the password for your phone. So make sure you've got it written down. So I'm just going to put mine in now. So now my phone is become my internet. So when I'm out and about, because at the moment, obviously I'm at home, I can use my other internet if I wanted to, but at the moment I'm just showing you on my phone. But once we're out on location, which I will show you in a mo. And guys, it's so quick, but also it can be so helpful because just going out there sometimes and you're logged out, as I've shown in my previous video, you can still fly the drone, but you're limited. But this, I think, is a lifesaver. Shall I show you out on location? Not logged in. I've just come all this way and I can't fly my drone now. But I can fly my drone. If you watched my previous video, guys, you saw how you can still fly your drone. But I want to log in because I want to fly the drone a little bit further. So how do you do that? Pretty easy. So what you need your phone. Now, if you watched what I showed you previously, you should have a hotspot on your phone. So you go into your settings, you just check. One, you got a signal, because if you ain't got a signal, it's not going to work at all. But if you've got a signal on your network, now I've got the full whack. Let's go back into my controller here. Press Wi-Fi. There it is. Right, so it's connecting up with my phone. So now I'm logged into my account. So that's good. So now what you need to do now, guys, is log into your account. So we go back to home, profile, log in. Now you got to remember your login details. So I'm just putting that in now. Okay, I've ticked the box. Now it needs the password. So you've got to remember your password, guys, for your DJI account. Right, there you are. Gone straight into my Shaun the drone. So I'm now, if I come back out, I can go and fly my drone. I'm not restricted. I'm just going to prove that now. Okay, I'm just going to send it off on a mission. I'm going to put on the video to prove that everything's working fine. Look how noisy it was. So gone out. 7 up. So you can see that I've got no problem there. I've got no problem with height as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to return it home. Pressed the wrong button then, didn't I? Right, and I've also put on. That's it. Okay. That's the only problem when you're out in this bright heat. Because the temperature now, I can still look using the phone still. Temperature now is 31 at the moment. Now that's in the shade, guys. Remember, that's in the shade. Yeah, so I don't want to spend too much longer out here before the batteries overheat. And if I wanted to, I could change over to another drone quite easily. And it would be bounded as well. So hopefully you learned something, guys, because I think having the hotspot on your phone is a lifesaver when you go out, because it always happens when you don't want it to happen. That's the problem. When you're not expecting it, it happens. Okay, just coming in. Be interesting to see how close it is to the target I'm talking about. At the moment it looks like it's going to land on me, but hopefully it's going to land on that. Knock off the video. Okay, so you know, it's the flip. Come on, you can't expect miracles with the flip. Anyway, as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.